There's Blue. Yeah, you. You, Blue. That's Midnight. Asher is the one walking up right there. There's Ange and Lady. So, Snow managed to get into the kennel and coop area, and the girls were not happy. They were refusing to go out and to their water and food. So now we have this set up in the bathroom. And the girls seem quite content now that they're out of the cold and winter snow. We're in a storm right now. They have this big open space for one giant dog, and instead it's being used for 5 little chickens. Yeah, you're good girls. Hi, Ash. As she just jumps over Ange to get to me. Yeah, you're my good girl. Food and water. They don't have to go tramping out around the snow for it anymore. They were not happy, like, at all. Now they seem quite happy. Yeah, you're my good girl. Ash has been pecking at one of the little toys we brought in. Little peckerhead. Peckerhead! So, yeah. All of them are in, nice and warm. Not out in that snowstorm. And ignore the mess. This is what happens when you have plants and chickens everywhere. It's all covered in snow out there. Pretty